Alright, take a look at the METWET bathroom wall light. So we got our instructions and we got some wire nuts. So we can see our adapter plate, we got our LED driver, we got our wires, and it looks like this adapter plate is screwed on from the top and the bottom. And then we got a ring of LEDs on the inside on the front. This is the main element of the light. So this is definitely not hollow. This is a solid piece. Can't tell if that's glass or resin. Whatever it is, it's very hard. It's got to be a resin, but it does have kind of a rainbow effect in there. I am very curious what this is going to actually look like once it's installed. That is cool. So I'm going to install this before I put these in, but you can see that they just kind of screw in. And it does appear that there are some set screws here, but there aren't any holes on this. So you just kind of screw it in and then leave it, call it a day. Lots of threads too, which is a very good thing. All right, so let's get this guy installed. I'm just using some DAP dry decks. I'm going to use that to fill whatever holes were there. So now we need to take off the mounting bracket. Nice long screw too, so that's good. And do the same thing on the other side. And I want to center it up with this mirror, just so it looks good. Like this is 28 inches, so the center line is 14 inches. That is almost perfect. Okay, so I got a stud right there. And the wire is right here. So the wire is coming out and then going down. Put my little level on top. So right there is where I want it. And I'm going to try to screw into the stud on the right side. Okay. That is going to be nice and secure. And I also saw the grounding screw in that box, so I'm going to take this. Now the reason I went with the top left is so I can give room for this driver to put that in the bottom right. I'm just going to wrap the ground wire around that clockwise and tighten that down. And then attach ground to the ground. I want to bring this out so the wire nut has something that it can attach to, and then wire that on. There we go. If I can pull on that wire and it doesn't come off, I know I'm good. And we'll do the same thing, white to white and black to black. When we put this on, we're not going to be pinching anything. Okay. Well, let's go turn the breaker back on. We'll see what it looks like. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty cool looking. That is neat. So I like that pattern. So it's a little bit brighter than that. I had to dim it down so you could kind of see what it actually looks like. But that's a very cool look. It doesn't put out a ton of light, so if you want your bathroom to be bright, this isn't going to work out too well, or you're going to need to have another light like this. But yeah, that thing is really cool looking. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. I am very happy with that.